once outside Loudonville. I got the video. It's just a little bit before I met you guys.
Come on, can I get it?
Kanaya would be next.
It's coming. It's like following me.
Easy there. Joey, let's see.
I'm gonna get out of the way. See, it has a hole in it. Is it my
Joey.
turn?
Get out slowly. Just don't run up to it. You're gonna scare it. Put your... She's like scaring it. It's just like moseying. Oh, it's going for the strawberries. It's going for their strawberries. Put your hand out and let it smell you, Joey. Don't walk up behind it. Go up where its head is. Just put your hand out.
Strawberries.
Yeah, that's strawberry plants.
Really mad.
I don't think it likes Joey.
Can I try to walk up to it and put my hand out?
You can pet it. Pet it, Joey.
Pet it. Pet it. It's not gonna hurt me. It's fine.
This is so cool, isn't it?
I like petting them.
Joey. Go around, Joey. Come on, kid.
Joey, don't step in the strawberries. Bad enough that the deer's eating them. All right, come on, guys.